Rail Movement Planner in your control center. Achieving more with less. In a railroad operation, the control center is a place of decision-making, always aligned to the railroad's interests. Due to the overwhelming amount of information, it becomes necessary that management is properly allotted among defined zones of control. This allows all operational aspects to be managed proactively by each zone's responsible. In each zone of control, the traffic controller has the duty of planning train circulation and coordinating maintenance needs, customer demands, and operational requirements, all while having the business's interests in mind. However, as the operation grows, zones of control become more complex, and it becomes harder to meet all interests. With multiple zones of control existing in a traffic operation, a decision based upon any of them can bring impacts throughout the entire network. Therefore, it requires ceaseless negotiations, with efficient teamwork and communication in a hectic environment, since one unplanned delay could mean losing millions of dollars. Enter Rail Movement Planner. As a real-time traffic planning system, it converges all information connected to the operation by displaying the upcoming impacts of each planning to the controllers, while integrated in all zones of control. This means the operators can make decisions based on the latest information, consistent and aligned with the business's objectives. He also becomes able to manage larger zones of control, enhancing the process's productivity. Furthermore, the greater the automation at the operation, the better the gains obtained with Rail Movement Planner. With this management, controllers shift their focus to more analytic activities, such as evaluating intervention plans on the track, ensuring and improving safety requirements, predicting and criticizing incidents, proposing solutions to recurring problems, and adding value to the operation by seeing the big picture, among others. Lastly, since controllers receive great assistance in generating traffic plans and in obtaining support to decision-making, there is substantial reduction on workplace stress levels. Instead of being an enforcer of the traffic plan, the controller becomes a full-time decision-maker that can be more conscious about the operation and its procedures at the control center. How about a free demonstration with data from your network and getting to know more about Rail Movement Planner? Contact us.